It's latest in beauty unboxing, the August box. Hi everyone, I'm Irina. Welcome back to my channel. I'm continuing this top-down style of video because I want to get these videos up as soon as possible. This is not my August. These are not my August picks. These are my July picks, which I will talk about in a minute. There will be timestamps on the play bar over here, so you can skip ahead to the portions that you are most interested in. There have been some recent changes with latest in beauty. If you subscribe now, it will cost $14.95 plus $3.95 postage. If you subscribe to at least 3 months, then you don't pay postage. You become a pro. The pro benefits are the same as they were before. If you are currently subscribed and you've subscribed before the 1st of August, if you do an extra box, that will cost $14.95 as well. Right, so let's get into last month's box and the items that I picked and what I thought of them. I'm going to start with the mascara. This is from Zao, Essence of Nature. This is the definition mascara. I didn't say last time. You can see it there. This is a very interesting concept. It's supposed to have eco-friendly packaging and it's refillable. I had a look on their website. I do have refills for everything. However, the mascara itself is incredibly dry. It does make my lashes look really, really good. When it's first applied, like, gives me so much volume, but it just flakes off within the hour. It starts to flake all over my face because it's such a dry formula. So I've tried it a few times and then I've avoided reaching for it for that reason. I might declutter this one, which is a shame because I like the effect it gave to my lashes. I had 2 body washes. This one I stained with something, I'm not quite sure what with. So this one from Molten Brown in Suede Orris, very nice scent. I think it's more of a unisex scent, but it's really, really nice. You only need a little bit and it just envelops you, you know, the Molten Brown quality. This one from Luna, the Everywhere Wash, which I got mostly for the intimate area, does what I needed to do. Is very gentle in that way, so happy with this one. Right, I had this from Cinema Secrets, the makeup sanitizing spray. I haven't used any yet because this is a backup for one that I already have. Okay, now these two. So let's start with the Glow Booster Daily Serum from Skin Academy. This, I love everything about it. The packaging is just so satisfying to use, to look at, everything. And then the serum itself, it's got a nice thick consistency, but it sinks into the skin very quickly. I absolutely love it. And then my skin feels instantly hydrated and plumped. Really, really enjoy this one. The price of this to buy outright is not too bad either for a serum, so might be something that I might purchase for myself in the future. I think it's something like £17 or £16.99, something like that. Now this, the Double Detox Charcoal Mask from Time Bomb. I love the packaging and I love the idea behind it. So it has all these charcoal beads which you're supposed to burst when you massage this in between your fingers, and then it activates them. My problem is that I can't burst these beads. Like, I have to press very hard. And it just makes the whole experience a lot more hassle than it should be. I just wish the beads were a lot easier to burst. So yeah, that's how I have to go, and it just takes me about 10 minutes to burst the beads before I even put the mask on. But once it's on, it feels really nice. Once it's removed, actually, the skin just feels so refreshed and so smooth. So it must do something, even though I have trouble bursting the beads. Okay, now let's get into my picks for the month of August. I'm going to start with the Hall of Fame, which is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Shampoo. I always hear so many good things about Living Proof. The only other product that I've tried from Living Proof was a volumizing spray, which I didn't like. It just left way too much residue in my hair and just made it feel heavy and sticky and oily, and I didn't like that. But I will try this one and let you know next time what I thought of it. I have high hopes. And then I have picked two items from the Revolution drop. I have picked the Crystal Gloss. So I have just put this on my lips. It's a lot more opaque than I thought. It's very, very thick. Doesn't quite stretches as well. I'm gonna have to give it a minute to kind of like sink into my lips a little bit. Feels a bit better once it's sunk into the lips a bit. I will have to report back next month on this one. And then I've also picked the Blush and Lift liquid blush in shade Bliss. That's the shade they had available. I absolutely adore liquid and cream face products, so I hope this is good. Okay. So that looks like a lot comes out in one go. Wow, that's a lot. Seems like I will only need a teeny tiny dot. Let me wipe this off and try with a teeny tiny dot. That's better. That looks like it would be quite a nice blush actually. And these are the only three things that I wanted from the August drop. There would be one more thing that I'm interested in, but I'm sure it will still be available in September. It's one of those ponytail things. So then I picked the Renewable Energy Performance Pre-Workout Powder and Ceremonial Matcha. I mostly wanted this one for the matcha, to be completely honest with you. I don't like caffeine, but green tea works really well for me when I need a boost of energy. And matcha green tea or matcha tea in particular works so well for me. So I got one of these just for some mornings when I need a little boost. Okay, I was talking how I don't like caffeine. I didn't even notice this says it's got 90 milligrams of caffeine per serving. It does have green coffee bean, but it does have matcha green tea. Yeah, it's just one serving. I will try it. I'm lying. I think this was an August drop as well. The Lash Factor Pro Nighttime Serum for longer, fuller, darker lashes and brows. I'm pretty sure I picked this one before. It was maybe a couple of years ago, and I couldn't stick to it. I think the brush itself is a little bit funny looking. Yeah. There we are. I will do my best to try it a little bit more this time. I do think that my lashes can benefit from something like this, so hopefully I'll stick to it. Then the last item I picked, this is an older drop. This is from Nuxe, the Marine Seaweed Skin Correcting Moisturizing Fluid. From what I was reading in the description, this is a serum that's supposed to be really good for fine lines. So yeah, excited to give this one a go. Then Latest in Beauty have also put a couple of freebies in here. First freebie, we have some gummies from Hum. They have hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E. I'm down for a bit of a supplement now and again, so yeah, I will give these a go. And I've also put this in here as a body lotion, a gradual tanning moisturizer. Since this is quite a small size, I might give it a go. I might try it on my legs or something. Okay, so these are my picks in the month of August, plus these two freebies. If you also get Latest in Beauty, let me know what you think. Let me know what you picked in August as well, if you haven't picked yet. What things are you most interested in? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out and lets me know you like the videos. I'm hoping you'll come back next time so you see what I thought of these items. I do this with every single latest in beauty box. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in my next video.